Good morning, it's Tuesday, January the 20th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got another great show lined up for you this morning, folks. I've got 5 great press releases, 4 from the Canadian side, 1 from the U.S. side, and 1 halt to report on in the second segment of our program. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of the U.S. It's a company called Cavico Corp. They trade on the OTCBB under the symbol CVIC. The company is announcing today that their wholly owned subsidiary, Cavico Hydropower Construction Company, was awarded a $9.8 million construction contract on January the 12th, 09. Now, Cavico Hydropower will be responsible for the construction of a 3,900 meter long head race tunnel, 2 sub-tunnels, and a 42 meter tall surge tank. I'm assuming that's all part of the hydropower, or part of the dam. The Cavico Hydropower expects to complete the construction within a period of 20 months, and the plant will be connected to the national grid to help ease the shortage of electricity supply in the country. Company is last at 8.5 cents, high of $1.75, low of 6 cents, and a market cap of approximately $11 million. Now, north of the border, we're going to the Canadian side. Selkirk Metals Corp. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol SLK. The company is announcing asset results from diamond drill holes 24 to 32 for the 2008 Rudder Creek underground exploration and development program. Highlights include hole number 27, which returned 14 meters of 9.4% zinc, 1.3% lead, and 2.3 grams per ton of silver. And hole number 31, we've got 10.4 meters containing 3% zinc, 0.5% lead, and 1.3 grams per ton of silver. A little bit about Selkirk. They're a mineral exploration and development company focused on the acquisition and development of base metal properties in Canada. Company's last at 6.5 cents, high of 69 cents, low of 3.5 cents, market cap of approximately $5.4 million. Moving on to NioGold Mining Corporation. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol NOX, and they also trade on the Frankfurt under the symbol NG1. The company is reporting on results from their 2008 diamond drill program in the Malartic Gold Camp, which is in the Abitibi region of Quebec. Highlights include hole number 77, which returned 47 meters, grading 1.8 grams per ton of gold, and hole number 80, which was 1.2 meters, grading 26.7 grams per ton of gold, with an additional 4.3 meters, grading 17 grams per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of NioGold. A little bit about the company. They're a junior exploration company focused primarily on gold. The company's main properties are located in the Malartic and Val-d'Or gold mining camps in Abitibi region of Quebec. Excuse me. Price is last 6.5 cents, 52-week high of 27.5 cents, low of 3.5 cents, market cap of approximately $3.7 million. Moving on, we've got Ventura Gold Corp. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol VGO. The company is defining their new discovery at the Angela Vein Immaculada project in Peru. Now, I've got some highlights, which include the inferred mineral resource estimate is 483 contained ounces of gold and 16.6 million contained ounces of silver at the Angela Vein at the Immaculada Gold Silver Project in southern Peru. So some pretty good numbers coming out of Ventura. In addition to being exploration projects in Peru, Arizona, Nevada, Ventura has the quarter ended September 30th, 2008, approximately $1.8 million in strategic investments in emerging exploration companies with exposure to projects in Mexico, Colombia, Ecuador, and Panama, Indonesia, and Africa. Companies last at 22 cents, high of 44, low of 10 cents, market cap of approximately $30 million. And our final press release of the day, Bart Adventures, they trade on the TSX under the symbol CBS. Disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet. The company is announcing results from its Lone Pine molybdenum property, which is located approximately 15 kilometers north-northwest of Houston, British Columbia. We've got highlights from the drill holes 25 and 35, which represent the best molybdenum assay results with the higher grade core rhenium Rhenium analysis was conducted over the entire drill length of both holes. So we've got highlights which include hole number 25, which was 730 meters containing 0.1% moly and 0.15 grams per ton of rhenium. And we've got hole number 35, which returns 753 meters of 0.1% moly and 0.14 grams per ton of rhenium. So great numbers coming out of Bart Adventures. A little bit about rhenium. Rhenium is used as an important component in super alloys for blades on turbine engines. And this is primarily the major use today. An interesting fact is that rhenium is among the 10 most expensive metals on the earth, and at times exceeding $12,000 per kilogram. A little bit of Bart Adventures. They're a small cap TSX venture listed mineral resource company with acquisitions in British Columbia. Company's last at 6 cents, high of 24 cents, low of 2.5 cents, and the market cap of approximately $5 million. Halts, looks like we have no halts to report on this morning. Thought I had one, but it looks like it's been resumed. Is this a halt? Okay, I do have one halt. Thank you, Rody. The one halt I do have is Western Lithium Canada Corp. They trade on the Venture under the symbol WLC. They've been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.